Today we have to start new point from this. Already you learn how to identify any how to identify pattern in that. Today we have to learn different types, that is tilling. Point is tilling pattern. Means what? See, tilling pattern means what? These things we have to see in this point. I hope check in your book, there are different patterns given. Yes, some color pattern like our marble. Okay, just minute I will. Okay, students, see, are you getting this? Yes, yeah. See, this is the tilling pattern. अभी आप यहाँ पे देखोगे, you will get the proper pattern from this. See, यहाँ पे देखो अभी क्या हो रहा है. This is the blue color, उसके बाद रेड, फिर ग्रे कलर, फिर ऑरेंज कलर, फिर दिस इज द पैटर्न, टिलिंग पैटर्न. समझ में आ रहा है ये? टिलिंग पैटर्न समझ में आ रहा है ये या नहीं? या अभी एवरीवन स्टार्ट योर कैमरा. आई विल शो यू डिफरेंट पैटर्न फ्रॉम योर साइड. आई वांट टू सी योर ड्रेस. Just go back and show your full dress. I will show you one pattern from your cloth. Who is there? Any other? Okay. Anyone have the cloth? Means, yeah. See, Kafi also different pattern on his on her dress. Check it. Flowers, some space, then flower. Yes, like that. We can see the different pattern like a tilling pattern. Means simple सी बात है. You know, marble at home. जैसे हमारे घर पे मार्बल होते हैं, वहां पे क्या होता है? जैसे अभी रिया, you can show your wall. Hall, just go in hall, you can show your wall. There is one pattern. Yeah, see here, student, see Ria's screen. See, this is the one kind of pattern, mean tilling pattern. You can say this is the tilling pattern. Okay. Yeah, this is the correct. I hope everyone understood about this. Yes? Very good. Like this, we can calculate or we can draw any tilling pattern with the help of different design. See, in your textbook, I will show you about this. See, this is a textbook. Check everyone, you will get details about this. See, colorful pattern are there, showing there. This is the different pattern. This is the yellow color. You know this pattern, everyone? Yes, like this we can use tilling pattern. One by one it will come. Yes, so in this point we have to identify the tessellation or tilling pattern. Okay, downside exercise you can complete with the help of colorful. You have to do the color for this whole example. Okay, as the same pattern we have to create make same pattern of this with the help of this pattern. Understood about this, everyone? Yeah. I hope no one else. From this point we have to start. This is about pattern. Now next point from this chapter, that is symmetry. We have to start symmetry of this point. Now symmetry means what? What is meant by symmetry? It will be the division of two parts. Symmetry का मतलब है same part. Same means same parts of any diagram or any object. That is called symmetry. Okay. Understood about this symmetry? Now we will see some diagram. You know butterfly? Butterfly कैसे होता है? Yes, this is the butterfly. If you want to divide this butterfly into two parts, how many parts? Two parts. That is called symmetry. See, like this symmetry line. Understood about the symmetry? If you draw the middle line, that time this butterfly is divided into how many parts? Two parts. Correct. That's why it is called symmetry of this object. Understood about this? Now, see, another example we can see. This is about butterfly. If yes, this is one kind of star. If you divide this star, it will also divide into how many parts? Two parts. Correct. That is, this is also symmetric diagram. Means it will be the same. Regarding this object. Okay. Now, if you can use different shapes. अभी ध्यान दो कि हर कोई डायग्राम जैसे देखो अभी कुछ हमारे पास लिप्स होते हैं ये दिस इज द लिप्स इसको अगर हम सिमेट्री करते हैं yes this is the vertical symmetry and this is the see like this what this means we can divide any object vertically and horizontally. Understood about this? This is the horizontal, this is the vertical. Means if you are dividing all these things in a different shapes. Okay. Now this is about object. If you want to see the symmetry in letter, means alphabet. Okay, you know how many alphabets we have? How many alphabets? 26. How many? 26. Okay. That is the in first A.
26.
Yes. First A, second B, third C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. Now see, these are some alphabets I have written here. Now I want symmetry. I want to draw a symmetry, or I want to draw the line in between. Line of symmetry. Can you identify? See, A. Yes. Got. B. Vertically. Understood about this? Sorry. This is the horizontal and this is the vertically. Now C also. Yes. D also. Just make student. Huh? Okay. C. D also. E also. But F can make or made line of symmetry. Can you identify? F will divide into two parts, same parts. Yes or no? F will not divide into two same parts. That's why it will not symmetric diagram or symmetric alphabet. G also. G can divide in same two parts. Yes? No. H can divide into two parts. It will be divided into vertically also and horizontally also. See, this is the horizontally and this is the vertically. Got this, everyone? I hope you understood about this symmetry. Yes? Yes or no? I hope this is about this. Suppose any diagram, simple hai. Yeah, this is the square. This is the square. Square also divided into two parts. If you draw the symmetric line in between, it is also divided into two equal parts, vertically and horizontally. Okay. Also, triangle, that is the equilateral triangle, means same sides triangle. Same side. I said same sides triangle. That triangle also divided into in symmetric vertically. Understood about this? Like this, you can draw shapes also. Okay. Also, some different types of shapes, like see this square. We can draw line of symmetry different ways, like this. This is the vertical and horizontal. I can draw. This is also like a diagonal. Yes, half part will be here, half part will be this side. Also, I can draw this side also. Yes, I hope you understood all these things regarding symmetry lines or line of symmetry. Yes? Like this, you can solve any or you can draw any symmetric line. Understood about this, everyone? I hope you got all the concepts.